What's up, guys? We're here tackling this yard cleanup today. The grass had to be at least 6 inches in some areas, but that is okay. That's what we're here to do. Couple of leaves, pine cones, no big deal. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And we all know teamwork makes the dream work. So Eric is in the back there, chopping up that tree, cutting it into nice small pieces to be ready for the dump, while I rake and blow the front into nice neat little piles. The wind was definitely giving me some heck here. It almost seemed like the wind was blowing in both directions at all times, which is probably one of my biggest frustrations when it comes to yard cleaning, but patience is key. After assessing where the wind was taking everything, we knew that we had to move the pile to the back right corner. And from there, it was pretty much smooth sailing. The homeowner was arriving just as we were finishing up, and he could not be happier. He actually got us started on a new quote right away. And there you have it. Lesson learned from today: take a second, assess your situation, work smart, not hard, and like, comment, and subscribe.